Alright, we got second Talion out at the park, Creighton tires, and we're gonna do a mega jump. It's probably gonna end badly.
Here it comes.
Oh, I gotta line it up.
Here it comes.
I'm just getting ready here. I gotta set myself up. All right. This is probably gonna be epic fail. Yes! We did it! That went extremely far. Is it alive? Survey says, yes it is. It's alive. So now we gotta do it again, right?
Yeah.
I will. Oh, there goes the wheelie bar. I didn't hit that one as good. Wheelie bar. Turned it off. The first one was great. Front bumper, I should say. Pulled it right out of there. Oh yeah, we ripped the screws and everything.
I know.
Oh, we pulled the motor cables out. That's no big deal. All right, that was the last jump. The first one was the best.